it comes to your appliances, what's the better option? Replace or repair? As long as you've got appliances in your home, you're faced with the fact that one of them may break down. Fixing them is usually the better option. We want to keep as much garbage out of our landfills as possible. But it's not that simple. Here's what you need to know. If the cost to repair a household appliance is more than half the price of a new product, you're better off buying a new one, as advances in energy efficiency mean the new machine will save you more money in the long run as it reduces energy costs. When it comes to your fridge, repairs can be costly. In this case, a new model is the better option. New refrigerators consume up to 75% less energy than those made before 2001. When buying a new fridge, go for a freezer top instead of a side-by-side model. Make sure it's Energy Star certified. Expect it to last about 14 years. In terms of your dishwasher, it's best to replace it. The newer models use much less water and have energy-efficient motors. Most of them also have built-in sensors that can determine the length of the wash cycle, making them about 25% more efficient. When choosing a new dishwasher, make sure it has a light wash or energy saver cycle and expect it to last about 9 years. You might be surprised to know that hand washing dishes is not the best option, as it takes up too much hot water. Opt for a full load in the dishwasher instead. When it comes to your dryer, it's better to fix it rather than replace it. They do last about 13 years, and most of them do come with moisture sensors that actually help them work quite efficiently. If you're looking for a new dryer, look for a moisture sensor in the drum as opposed to the exhaust fan. It will shut off a little sooner and save slightly more energy. Most dryers do consume a lot of energy, so a line dry or a clothes rack is the greenest option. When it comes to your washing machine, consider replacement, especially if you have a top loader. Top loaders, unlike front loaders like this one, use much more water, and don't forget to always look for Energy Star certified appliances. They do cost a little bit more, but circulate the clothes in a shallower pool of water. They use less water and heat and will save you money in the long run. Onto the hot water heater now. By switching to a high-efficiency gas model, you can save up to 50% in energy costs. If you have a gas system, it depends on how old it is though. If your gas hot water heater is more than 10 years old, consider replacement. The greenest option though is an on-demand or tankless system. All that means is that the water that is circulated is going through a large coil and heated only when needed. Keep in mind, on-demand or tankless hot water systems are not Energy Star certified. They do use about 60% less energy, however, saving you about $1,800 a year in energy costs. Running an air conditioner costs a lot of money, and they use a great deal of energy. If your AC breaks down and it's over 10 years old, you should replace it. That goes for a window model as well as central air. Getting rid of old appliances is difficult. The worst thing you can do is put yours on the curbside. They end up in our landfill and add to our growing problem of too much trash. In Toronto, you can call companies like rubbishexpress.com or visit the city's website. They have some great ideas as to how you can get rid of your ailing appliances. You can also visit www.everykilowattcounts to learn more about the Ontario Power Authority's Great Refrigerator Roundup program. The bottom line is, before you replace any of your household appliances, do your homework to ensure that your ailing appliances end up in the appropriate place.